Good morning. Been up since 3. Gotta leave here in a minute for the airport for Jamie. I just finished this guy up today. Done. But you'll see it today, but you'll see this video tomorrow. It's like inception of videos. I'm excited to keep doing this. So took about an hour from start to finish, from said to done. And now we're gonna hop in the car and go to the airport. So enjoy this video today, but really you'll see this tomorrow. So hopefully you gave it a thumbs up, maybe hit that subscribe button. I don't know, it's up to you. I'm not gonna try to force anything. It's been my whole motto, is not forcing myself upon you. That's just creepy and weird. I have to be quiet because Jamie's awake right now at 5 in the morning, so. Oh boy. Ready to go see Mom off to the airport? And we're off. We're all the way to the airport. Family's in the car. Hello YouTube. I am realizing right now, after watching all of my videos on YouTube the last couple days, that I talk kind of slow and kind of monotone, and like I'm thinking things out as I'm saying them. I want to be a lot quicker. I want to be a lot faster. I want to be more thorough and more energetic. And I'm realizing that the more I see these and the more I see the opportunity to edit those pauses that are in these videos. So with that said, this is going to be the new format going forward. A little bit faster talking, a little bit more energy, just getting to be myself, because I feel like I've been kind of putting on a little bit of a persona and a little nervous and a little bit hesitant to put myself out there, even though this is a safe place for me to do so. Sure, there'll be people that say things, but hey, c'est la vie. I don't know what that really means, but it seems applicable in this situation. I just want to provide good content. I want to create my own stories for documenting my life and documenting things that I enjoy, and really just showing you, the audience, if you are interested in watching said videos, what my day-to-day looks like. I've had an influx of new subscribers in the last couple days, which I'm super pumped about. Granted, it's not thousands, but it's probably 10 to 15 new subscribers. It shows a little bit of growth that drives somebody to do more of something. The daily videos, I've said it once, I'll say it again, they're more for me, is just doing something that I'm passionate about and doing it every day to create that best quality video for, say, my customers down the road. That's just keeping my skills fresh, keeping my knife sharp. You know, you sharpen your knife. That's all I'm doing here. I'm just sharpening my knife daily. I'm really trying to spend as little time on these videos because I don't want them to hinder my actual work for customer-based stuff, because let's be real, I gotta make money and YouTube ain't doing it. I didn't film much of today because today was honestly very busy. I did spend a little bit of time with a friend, eating a little bit of sushi. Raw bar. Good stuff. I'm going to go into this stuff super detailed this weekend because, let's be real, I have some time this weekend because Jamie's not in town, and that means no honey-do list, which is awesome. I want to talk about a few specific items, and I'm going to briefly talk about them now, mainly because I need content because I didn't shoot too much today. And second of all, I am pumped about them. I want to talk about two things in particular. One thing is in this frame right now that you can probably see. That is an FS5 Mark II, new baby. Very excited about it, with a little bit of an Atomos recorder. But I'll talk about that here in a second. Be real, the advertisement worked, Peter McKinnon, you did a good job. And that said item is a monopod. This thing, I have been looking at monopods for quite a long time, and I've always thought to myself, well, that'd be a pretty cool tool to have in my arsenal, but I don't know how much I'd actually use it. So this guy has a stand that is collapsible, that you can fold down if I can do it all with one hand. And then it also has 3 levels. So you're seeing it here completely collapsed with a video head on it right now. And the video head is a fluid head, so you can move it, and then it has a slide around down here that works pretty well. Then it also expands. So you have 3 separate levels to make this thing super tall. This thing is 7 foot tall right now. I'm able to get super cool shots like down low, up high. I can't wait to use this thing. I literally just got it yesterday. Haven't been able to really play with it besides just take it out of the box and kind of see what it does. Let's be real, I mean, the wedding game is gonna be strong with this, running around with a camera on this with one on a tripod, which you're on a tripod right now. But with the one on the tripod, it's actually gonna make it super nice during a wedding to have this one in my hands for my run and gun type stuff, and then to have the tripod stagnant over in the corner shooting the ceremony, and then I'm able to get another angle. It really makes it nice for a one-man show. In the future, I'm gonna have several people, hopefully. But for the time being, I gotta make that money, and that money means me doing it myself, which means that I'm gonna be a solo shooter on most of my stuff. Jamie's gonna be shooting photo. We're a team, and we're gonna make some bitchin' wedding content. FYI, stay tuned for those, because I'm excited for them. You're seeing an A7S2 right now with a 24-70 G Master. And what I'm planning on doing during a wedding, having the A7S2 on a tripod with the 70-200 at a faraway distance, shooting the entire scene. And then me with my FS5 with the 24-70 up close, getting that nice blurred background, close-up kisses, that kind of shot with the microphone hooked up to my camera, recording that audio. So that way I'm close. I got the Rode Link. I'll talk about that too. I've got a lot of new stuff that I'm gonna go over. Stuff that just has to be in your arsenal. I've really upped my game as far as my gear, and I want that to show in the product that I produce for people, because let's be real, the money's good, the business is good, but at the end of the day, I wanna create a story for somebody that they're gonna be able to cherish for the rest of their life, and to have and be happy with, that they can watch in 50 years and look back and say, man, he did a good job, or man, we had a lot of fun that day, or just capture the whole moment. It was 125 degrees out and the cake was melting. Those are things that you're gonna talk about, and to have footage of that, you can't not have that. So hire me to do your wedding films. Sorry, just a shameless plug there for Trace Media Co. Website down below. Okay, my FS5, my beast of a camera, clocks in at just under 11 pounds with 24-70 G Master and the Atomos recorder. Now the Atomos recorder may not end up on my actual rig for the day of shoot, but it may, I don't know yet. So this is my rig for, say, a wedding. Got my screens here, I'm able to customize and move around. And dude, look at this thing. I mean, it's got this little arm down here. I'm gonna go over all this weekend, trust me. But it's got this little thing down here, so I'm able to, I'm just kidding, I joke about it. I should not joke about literally a $6,000 setup falling on the ground right now. But you can't help but just have a little fun with things sometimes. I mean, accidents happen, hopefully nothing does. You can call me an idiot, it's okay. Wouldn't be the first time, wouldn't be the last time. So this is my wedding setup for my shoots. So you're able to do all these really cool dynamic shots. Okay, that's it for today. That's all I got. I gotta make dinner now because my girlfriend's not home and she usually cooks me dinner because she's an amazing person and I love her. I'm not good at winking, is that winking? We'll see you guys tomorrow. I would give you guys a peace or, peace, or cover the lens, but I got my hands full, so I'm just gonna do one of these ducking things. Never done it before, but we'll try it out. We'll do one of these.